step number 1, I want you to go on to youtube.com, and from there, you can find different videos that you can watch. I want you to click on any of these videos. Step number 2, once you're on the video, watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, boom, you make money. Now, take a look at this. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world. All this money for every single video that they watch. Here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you watch one YouTube video, you can earn this amount. When you're watching about 10 YouTube videos, you can earn a larger amount. And when you're watching 50 videos a day, you can earn this massive income. You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. This legit method is free. YouTube is available worldwide. You can watch it from any country in the world. And right now, all you need is a mobile phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch. So make sure to stick around and keep watching until the end. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. In this video, I'll show you how you can watch YouTube videos just like these right here and earn for every single video that you watch. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is click on this sign in button right on the top. That is going to take you to this page. Now, if you do not have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by clicking on Create Account. From there, you can create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged in into your YouTube account, one thing that you will notice on the left section is the Best of YouTube panel, which shows you the best performing videos right now. For example, music, sports, gaming, news, and so on. In this video, I will show you a secret strategy which nobody knows about. Now, I want you to click on this gaming category, and from there, that's going to take you to this page. There are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube. They don't know how they could be making a lot of money. And I'll show you the secret on how to do it. Right now, I will give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on the keywords. Among Us. This is one of the most popular games right now, which is trending. A lot of people want to watch these kinds of gaming videos, and you could be on this early opportunity. When you click on this category, Among Us, that's going to take you to this page where you can find more videos about Among Us. Look at all of these live streaming videos that are running right now. And all you gotta do for the next step is to click on any of these live videos. For example, if I click on this one, that's going to take me to this page where they are running a live stream and a lot of people are watching. For you to turn these YouTube videos in actual money, we have to go on to the second website, which is 7r6.com. On this website, you have the opportunity to shorten the URL links and turn them into actual money. Therefore, the concept of this website is simple. You just have to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there, you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos, which I'll show you. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. For step number 3 is making money off every single video. Now, very quickly, here is an example of exactly how it works. For example, if you're watching this YouTube video, you can quickly grab the URL of this video by just finding the share button, which is right here, and then copy the URL. All we gotta do is to go back to the website 7r6.com and paste the copied link into this box, and then click on this little button. After that, this website will automatically help convert and shorten the long YouTube link into a new special link. As you can see here, for every click on this special link, you are going to be paid. That is exactly how all of these people are making big money right here on this website. Once you have earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account or any other payment options. So, the first step that I want you to do is to go back to the homepage of 7R6 and click on the sign up button. From there, that's gonna take you to this page where you can register for a free membership. Input in your username, your email, your password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button. When you logged in into your account, this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. For step number 2, I want you to click on this button right here, which is New Shortened Link. That's where we're gonna paste our copied YouTube URL link. Again, to shorten a link, all we're going to do is just go back to our YouTube video and we're gonna click on the share button and copy this URL link. Then go back to the dashboard and paste the link right here on this box. And then click on the shorten button and you can see that's the shortened link immediately. For step number 3, go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos that you copy, the more money you are going to make. The bonus tip that I want to share with you is to focus on this particular category because this is what's in right now. In line with that, I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. With this amount of people watching these videos, you're going to be making so much money. Once again, we're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, copy the URL link, go to 7r6.com and paste in the link. Now, click on shorten and that's the second link that we successfully shortened. Moving on to the final step, go on to steamcommunity.com. This is a gaming website platform where many people are discussing different strategies to play different games, and right now, on the Among Us forum, there's just so many different discussions going on. A lot of people are talking about this game, and it's just so trending and so popular. Right now, they're getting millions of views every single day. This is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend, combined with the power of 7r6.com, and you can make a lot of money from these YouTube videos. Now what you can do is to sign up for a free account on Steam Community. You can open up a trend, put up a post, and share your shortened link into the Steam Community forum. From there, you're gonna be getting a lot of clicks. For every single click, you're gonna be making money, and from just one video, you could be making hundreds and maybe thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I want you to give a special bonus tip that will help you earn more money. Now, this is going to be a secret website that I have never shared with others, but right now, I will share it with you. The secret website is moot.us. This is a special forum platform where you can find different people sharing about this game, and there are many people posting different images, different photos, and different videos. As you can see, they're getting hundreds and thousands of views about Among Us gaming. And since you watched this video until the end, I want to share this opportunity with you, and especially if you focus on this category and when you copy the link of this kind of videos, which are live streaming videos, you could be making thousands of views and you're going to be making a lot more money. As a final bonus, I want to share a free copy and paste template that you can use. From there, you can just copy this template and you can share this on the Steam Community forum or the moot.us forum as well. From there, you're going to be getting money. You're going to be getting many clicks on your shortened link, and you're going to be making a lot of money. This is just one of the examples, which are very simple, which will get you many clicks. The template says, "Have you guys checked out this amazing Among Us gameplay video? It is mind-blowing." Then you can watch the live stream right here. And then this is where you're going to put in your shortened link. So just go back to your dashboard and just copy this right here and go back to our template and paste the link right there. And that's it. All we had to do now is just copy this entire template. And then we just had to post them into the Steam community or in the moot.us forum. You don't have to put it in a lot of effort because for these particular gaming videos, they're picking up a lot of trends and they're super popular right now. Especially if you're finding good videos on YouTube, which are getting a lot of views. It is going to be easy getting a lot of clicks on your shortened links. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make money by just watching videos and shortening links. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleaholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.